Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a membership site on Wix. So if you want to make your actual site the membership site, you need to have a login or sign up page. So let's head over to our dashboard, and then from here just click on this apps and click on this app market. Now on that market right here, you can head over and then see all of the apps available on your Wix market. So let's click on the search bar and let's head over and put here log. You can also search in here for members. So let me head over and search for login, and then from here you should be able to see some related results. You can see here live chat support, but you need to saw this Wix members area and click on it, and then from here click on this add to site option. Now this will actually redirect you to your Google Chrome where you can see this. So just tap on this, go to editor, and then from here it will just open a pop-up. So let's allow pop-up for Wix in order to show you the page. Now tap on this open, and you should be able to see it on the next page that open your Wix website. So as you can see, adding Wix members area into our site. Now Wix members area has been successfully added. If you are wondering what it is this right here on our header. So we have here this icon. This is actually the login bar. So you can reposition it wherever you want to add it. It totally depends on you. For example, let's head over here and let me drop here just like this. Now click on this setup login bar right here, and we have successfully entered this login bar setting. We have here this login and logout page. You can also make this full or initials only. Now in here let's head over to this member sign up settings. Now you can prompt people to sign up, or you can also prompt them to just log in first. Now you can also see this additional sign up settings. This is one that is available on your dashboard. This will load to your dashboard in order to show you the actual settings that you will have for that. You can also see all of the users that has signed into your membership site. You can also clarify this who can be a site member. It can be everyone or only people I approve. You can also ask your members to the email if you want to as well. You can also add options for this one, add captcha for this one. Now tap on this save to save settings, and now once you have set up everything, you should be able to use this login bar for your Wix membership site. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.